Hey Honors Scholars! I'm sure you're all wondering what's going to happen with the OMNI conference because of COVID-19. This doesn't mean that we can't celebrate your research, so this year we are going virtual. First, let's go over some common questions. Can I still present in any category? The answer here is yes. All of the presentations can be either recorded or presented live over Zoom. What if I do not have access to tech equipment to record or edit? We understand that not all students have the resources for an online presentation, but MiraCosta is providing students with all of the necessary equipment to perform well in their classes. Please feel free to email Jacqueline Walsh, one of our navigators, at the following email if you are in need of tech assistance. How will the videos and presentations be viewed during OMNI? The pre-recorded videos will be viewed by anyone in the program, faculty, honors staff, and alumni. They will be unlisted on our YouTube channel, and the links to these videos will be posted on our main page on Canvas and in the Compass on the day of OMNI. How will awards like participation certificates be given out? Awards will be given out digitally, so through email, and hard copies will also be available. Will I get feedback on my presentation? Absolutely. You will receive feedback, and additionally, enrichment hours will be available to those who volunteer to make commentary forms. When are videos due? The deadline to submit videos is May 10th. So next, let's go over how to make your videos and some video etiquette. Let's consider some guidelines for your time. Poster presentations should be no more than 15 minutes. Oral presentations should be anywhere from 12 to 15 minutes. If you're doing a group poster or oral, presenters must speak for equal amounts of time and abide by the time limits for either poster or oral presentations mentioned in our OMNI requirements. In terms of attire, we ask that everyone abide by a business casual dress code. It's also important to note that videos will be reviewed before being posted, so please keep that in mind. Now let's go over some ways to present your poster. You can make a narrated slideshow using Google Slides, Zoom, or another medium. Make sure that the first slide is a picture of your full poster. Have your following slides highlight sections of your poster and discuss each in more detail. You can also use the service Prezi to zoom in on different parts of your poster. So what should you expect when doing a live presentation? So if your presentation is live, you will be doing a recorded Zoom meeting where an honors navigator is working as your moderator. Faculty may also be present to provide feedback. We will be expecting you to abide by the 15-minute time limit as well. And there will be a short Q&A session at the end, as there is for our in-person OMNIs of the past. So if you need some examples of posters, you can visit the Canvas site for a list of examples, or visit our MiraCosta Honors channel on YouTube to watch alumni conference videos. For any suggestions, please email jwalsh@miracosta.edu. We know that we haven't provided substantial guidelines for presenting, but we are so thankful for your willingness to adapt during these crazy times. The honors staff is here for you. Talk to the navigators on our Discord or email jwalsh@miracosta.edu for help.